The Messages tab is where all your conversations live. On the left, you have a sidebar with your conversation list, and on the right is the chat area where you read and send messages. Let's open it now. Your conversations are listed in the sidebar. Each thread shows the contact name, a preview of the last message, the timestamp, and a badge showing the conversation type, like SMS, chat, or group. The most recent conversations appear at the top. Click any conversation to open it. Here we can see the full message history with Ronnie Jackson. Outgoing messages appear on the right in purple, and incoming messages are on the left. Each message shows the timestamp so you always know when it was sent. To reply, just type your message in the Compose field at the bottom and click Send. Your message goes out as an SMS to the contact's phone number. It's just like texting from your phone, but from your business number. To start a brand new conversation, click the New button at the top of the sidebar. Choose SMS from the menu, then search for a contact or type in a phone number. Once you select someone, the conversation opens and you can start messaging right away. If your organization uses SMS queues, you'll see a queue section at the top of the sidebar. It shows incoming customer messages that haven't been assigned to anyone yet. Each card previews the message and shows a claim button. Click Claim to assign the conversation to yourself so you can respond. That's SMS messaging in the Cloudspire voice portal. Browse your conversations, open a thread to see the full history, reply instantly, or start a new message to any phone number. If your team uses SMS queues, claim incoming conversations right from the sidebar.